Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoTakeOver coming back with another video again for y'all this evening. And on today's video, we're going to be going over Bitcoin and the charts. Bitcoin kind of moving sideways as of right now, the past couple of days after our recent drop over the weekend. So we're going to see if maybe there's some patterns forming, whether or not Cipher, market Cipher is telling us what direction Bitcoin is going to move within the next couple of days. So if that sounds interesting to y'all, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single Bitcoin video that I make. And let's get started. So if y'all are brand new to this channel, I use the market cipher indicator by CryptoFace, and we use it daily here on this channel. So if y'all are interested in it, y'all can always go check it out as well. And we're gonna start on the 15-minute time frame right now. We are kind of trending in this nice little fib channel that we have drawn out here between the 0.5 and the 618. So this is a very good consolidation point for us right now. We can see that on our Cipher B, we are moving a little bit into our red money flow as of right now. So we're kind of consolidating here in our red money flow. And then as we start to move into our higher time frames, we'll start to see, get an idea of maybe direction of the market. So we're going to keep looking around just a little bit just to see, kind of trending with our EMAs right now are kind of consolidating for the most part. After our recent drop, they had a really nice spread out there, but now we're in a little bit of consolidation to see what the next move is going to be. So we'll look at our 30-minute here. 30 minutes still not trending above our 21 EMA just yet. Money flow starting to move down to the red. We can see that on our candle body, on our daily candle open, you could see that bears took control by putting us underneath the VWAP. It does kind of look like we're trying to get a push above the VWAP as of right now. We'll see if that lasts throughout the day. So putting out an early video for us this evening. I just have some things I need to get done today, but I wanted to still get a video out for everyone to go over as well. And then we can see on our 45-minute, our money flow was starting to move into that greenish area. So what I would like to see is everything line up on the higher time frames and whatnot. So that's what I've been telling my Patreon members as well. If you are interested in becoming a VIP private signals member, you can check the link in the description box under the Patreon page as well. And then if we go into our 1 hour, we can see that we're still even trending below our 21 EMA here as well. Now, what I'm kind of curious about is when we start to move into this green area with our money flow, are we going to get a nice little spike up to the top here, maybe up to our 50 EMA or even our 100 EMA from about 79 to 8100. So that is yet to be determined, but it's something that could possibly happen here in the near-term future as well. And then I want to say that if we go into our 2 hour, we'll start to take a look at that here as well too. So 2 hour, we still have a nice sell signal here. We had that buy down here as well. We have our sell from our couple of blood diamonds that we had. Looks like we had a second blood diamond here on the daily open. Also that kind of sent us to the downside as well. So still trending below our 21 EMA. Our EMAs are still really heavily spread apart right now too. So I could definitely see a little bit more consolidation before our next move decides what we want to do. Our next fib channel from the 618 area to the 782, I believe, is right at about 7100. So we just need to keep an eye on that, or we could push back up to this 8800 area too as well. I don't know how much of a possibility each one is, but as we start to move into some of our higher time frames, I think we might have a predicament on which direction we might go. So I think we're just kind of spring loading it up right now just to see what move is going to be made. And then let's go into our 4 hour now. 4 hours still giving us a buy signal here after that recent drop off. Money flow still in the red just a tad bit too. It does look like it's kind of ready to go into that greenish area for the most part, but our 2 hour was telling us that we still had a little bit more green area to play out as well. If y'all are interested in signing up for the newsletter, that's the first link in the description box below. Check it out. Become a newsletter member. It's free to sign up. You get access to some of my private videos, as well as some trading strategies that I give to my Patreon members. You'll probably get them maybe a couple weeks later as they come out, as the videos come out. And then also I do giveaways to my newsletter subscribers. So in order to qualify, please sign up for it, and that way I can get a hold of y'all whenever we do a giveaway. If you'd like to become a Team TakeOver member, I have a couple of different tiers on there right now. So there's one tier that you can just access the Patreon page, which has all my private videos. It has my 2 favorite altcoins that I am in heavy accumulation of as of right now during the recent dips, because I think that they will do really well, and that one of them could ultimately flip the market cap of Bitcoin itself. So that's also in there, as well as how to set up my Wells buy sell signal, my custom Wells buy sell signal, the custom Aldo EMAs, and some other trading strategies. I also go over altcoin charts as well. So if y'all are interested in wanting to see some altcoin charts, become a Patreon member, and then you can request what altcoin chart you want me to review, and I will put a video out. And the other tier that I have on there is for my VIP private signal members, and that will give you access to the private Discord channel to get my signals going in and out of the market. So we recently killed it on this last drop. I was over 200% gain from this drop here. You can check out the profits that some of my people in here had also made. So I mean, we've just been killing it. Pike's been making money here, 313% profit, 450% profit, 760% profit. I mean, we've been killing it, especially with this recent drop off. Usually I like to wait for these bigger moves to happen. So we were consolidating around this area, and I was like, hey guys, just wait. And I think we entered. I think I got in an entry like at around 9,700 or something too. And we completely saw this coming. So we're gearing up for the next big move, and my Patreon group is waiting and ready. And they're ready to pull the trigger on this one. So feel free to join us in the Patreon group if you're interested in becoming private VIP signals member as well, and join the Team TakeOver crew. So let's take a look at our 6 hour right now. 6 hour money flow still trending heavily in the red as well. EMA is still very far away from us, so that's why I feel like we need kind of a retest of some of these EMAs just to get back in confluence with them, to know that they are not too far away. But as you can see, even our Cipher SR is just really widely spread apart, and then once we get a little bit of a squeeze here, that's when we know that we're probably going to be making a bigger move. So I could definitely see some consolidation happening right now. I give strategies on how to scalp this in my Patreon group as well. So obviously you can do some nice scalping here when we have these consolidation points as well, and make some nice profit. And then even in our 8 hour money flow still nice in the red right now as well too. Go into our 12 hour. We have some buy signals that are signaling to us as well. Buy signal even on our 12 hour, indicating that we could have a nice little run up here. And we'll see how sustainable that is. Right now I'm thinking that we could even have some consolidation, but based on these 12 hour and these higher time frames, we're probably going to see some more movement to the downside. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but that's really just what it's looking like. So if y'all stuck around for the video this long, congratulations, because I put quite a few. There's like people complain a lot, but also at the same time, if y'all want video summaries of my videos that I produce every single day, then y'all can become Patreon members. I write video summaries every single day for my Patreon members as well. So if y'all are interested in the video summaries without having to sit through each video, feel free to become a Patreon member as well. And y'all can also join the Discord group if y'all like. The Discord group is free to join. We have some great discussion going on in there, and people are constantly joining. But the Patreon members only channel is private for those people that only pay for that too. And then also the Telegram group is available if y'all are interested in joining that. Links in the description box as well. And so our 12 hours still giving us, it gave us a buy signal here, but we still have a pretty nasty sell-off as of right now. So I would be kind of hesitant to maybe pull the trigger on, a buy opportunity or a long right now, just saying. But that doesn't mean that we could get some nice little movement to the upside as well. Money flow on our 1 day is still kind of trending into that downish area as well, kind of probably wanting to put in another big green dot down here in the near term future as well. So if y'all do want to just buy and hodl and that is your trading strategy, then I would recommend you getting a Ledger Nano X or S. So the Ledger is coming, they have a special going on. If you buy a Ledger Nano X, you can get a Ledger Nano S right now. So feel free to check those links down in the description box below. We use Bybit in my trading group as well, in my private signals group. Most of us tend to use Bybit or Kraken from my acknowledgement. And then, but I'd encourage y'all to use the testnet. So when you use the link in the description box to sign up, you're going to come over here and contact chat support, ask them how to access the testnet, and make sure that you are a profitable trader before you actually deposit your BTC onto the exchange. If you are a USA citizen, you can use Prime XBT to leverage trade if you'd like, Bitcoin, S&P 500, gold and silver, a bunch of different fiat currencies all using Bitcoin. I use the Brave browser to browse the web. It allows me to earn BAT token as I browse the web. So if y'all haven't used Brave browser yet, it's a great web browser and you get paid in cryptocurrency to basically browse the web. So check that link down in the description box below. We also use CryptoTab browser to mine Bitcoin. So I have it running on about 2 different computers right now, older laptops that I don't really use, and it's mining Bitcoin for me, making passive income. You can also use it on old tablets or old iPhones that you don't really use anymore either, and at least let them make you some passive income by opening up CryptoTab browser. It's just an easy way to start mining Bitcoin, showing support to the network without the trouble of ASIC miners and ANT miners and setting those up. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you'd like, but message me on Discord. I'll respond to y'all on Discord more than anything. And then also we can see going into our 1 day, Bitcoin is just doesn't look too healthy as of right now. Even in our 3 day, still trending into that red money flow. These sell signals are just popping off left and right on our higher time frames as well. Even before our big drop, we had a few sell signals that did occur, indicating that to be ready for whatever was to occur. And we did have that nice little sell-off as well. So on our weekly time frame, we still have our sell that has signaled. And then even going into our monthly time frame, we can see that we had a nice little sell-off there too. Let's go back to our 3 day. I just want to see these fib channels, what they're giving us. So our 618, is our next fib channel that we could possibly be going into, which is at about 7,100. And then our next fib channel at the 786, that is at about 6,500. So we just need to be really cautious right now. I know even Jacob Canfield on YouTube was calling for like 5,500, but I have my mentor, Sin Crypto, which I learn a lot from him. We've been calling for lower numbers for a long time. And so if y'all are curious, go check out those pages as well as to what we need to be expecting for BTC. And just a disclaimer is TA can prepare your mind for anything that's to happen in the markets, just because you will already have a little bit of knowledge about what market sentiment could be and where the markets could go. So it kind of helps you prepare just for drastic changes within the market too as well, and just to be ready for pretty much anything. So with that being said, check out the other videos that I have. We're going to go ahead and end off this video here. And thanks for joining me today. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single day and every single video that I make on Bitcoin and the Bitcoin charts. So I will speak to y'all next time. Check out some other videos that I have also if y'all are interested, and I'll talk to y'all then.